Eitara bongani ula laba baqeda ukujoina manje which number 10 should Orlando Pirates sign? I still think I'm fine Orlando Pirates ayilwele ulomfana lo Emil Witboy, very young boy, creative, talented, good on the ball, akasabu ukuthena ngama player, akasabu ukushoota, he's a risk taker. Few similarities kuye noMfukeng. Yeah, I think mina Emil Witboy for mina umuntu bengamsuggest. Otherwise balanda lo mfana lo ubani unhlanhlazwane lapha ku Golden Arrows. He'd fit into his structure se Orlando Pirates. Or just push Ozonapolis. It is qaleke bafethu. Mbuthuma akahambe. Kudala ngikhulumile nayo. Mbuthuma akahambe.
3 2 1 action.
Monnampule Saleng is destroying his career. And ibhlungu lento lena to see such a young talented boy do this to himself. You know, bengizo understand if bebathi izinto ezenzakala kuye it's because of ama team amphatha kabi, management ayimthandi or uhlukunyezwa ama coach or anything like that. But at this point uMonnampule Saleng is his own enemy. uMonnampule Saleng uyazibulala, uziqedela icareer yakhe, uyazilimaza. I don't understand why these youngsters don't learn. Abafundi labafana laba. We've had so many instances yama player thinks that they are bigger than the team and then player le misbehavior maqeda lapho le hamba lishi team thinking uzoshayina kwenye indawo afike kuleyo ndawo and then the exact same thing happens and then piti boom umuntu uphelele emoyeni seka analyst online. Think about it. Lerato Shabangu, I said when I started, Lerato Shabangu bekanathi la studios nini isikhwehlela besisinda yabona ukuthi kunzima nokuthi lento leila intami yakhe makakhohlela kuthi iphume. Another guy who abused alcohol wamoshi career yakhe waphelele emoyeni. Now mambona lo muntu lona, he doesn't even look like someone okay waba famous, he doesn't even look like someone that's played football before. One thing about football, if you don't respect the game will spit you out, and once the game spits you out you become a commoner, you become just like everyone else. Ngisho nabantu bebakuhlonipha Tanda lose the love and the respect that they once had for you. Monnampule Saleng is not bigger than Orlando Pirates. He'll never be bigger than Orlando Pirates. He's not bigger than Mamelodi Sundowns and he'll never be bigger than Mamelodi Sundowns. When Mamelodi Sundowns imthathu Saleng number 1 bamopa big signing on fee. And I mean, obviously, Bamupa better salary than he got go Orlando Pirates. The problem is that Monnampule Saleng is not as great as he thinks he is. That's the biggest issue. And sometimes abantu mele batshele iqiniso mababona ngathi baba namakhanda amakhulu bazama ukuphapha bazitshela ukuthi bona they are bigger than the game, they are bigger than ama team, they are bigger than the league. Monnampule Saleng is just another player onenhlanhla ukora amakhulu. Yes, umshayeli wandile jali ngetsipa, but how many players have done that to other players? Monnampule Saleng must understand, Mamelodi Sundowns won the CAF Champions League without him. They won the league the season before without him. They've won 8 consecutive leagues without him. Mamelodi Sundowns didn't even need him because they have a Tashreeq Matthews, there's a lot of competition in position le Eyaga Saleng. But this was an opportunity for him uguti azbuyise, azlungise and focus kwi career yakhe. Angithi uhambile Orlando Pirates because Orlando Pirates yona being amphathanga kahle nan. But the same things that happened Orlando Pirates now kuziyenze kuyaziyenza njengoba badlala lapha ku Mamelodi Sundowns uyophelela kuphi Saleng. Where does he think ucanga ukuthi uzophelela kuphi ngalento lena ayenzayo? It's important bafethu that we have these conversations and call these players out. Monnampule Saleng will never be bigger than the game. Namhlanje even if angakhetha retire, there are other players that we are already focused on eseswabhekile. So that's the sad part about ibholo. Ibholo is a 10-year career. Usukunenhlanhla futhi mawufikile ku 10 years because abaningi once they reach ama 30s wabo kuyaphela ngabo bayashabalala baphelele emoyeni. So if this guy is not taking good care of himself now and investing in his future now, umuntu in 2-3 seasons iSundowns izomrelease uyozithola adlala le ko national second division or adlala le kuma first division. And it's players like these after football that have a lot to say about the current players. Yibo laba bazobuya sebafuna criticize the current players because yena he failed umoshile in career yakhe. Saleng needs to learn. Umdala uSaleng asumntana omncane usoloko thina sincengana noSaleng ukuthi in the fact ukuthi sihleli la when we should be looking ahead to the upcoming games and discussing izinto ezibalekile zebhola. We are sitting here discussing another issue ye player ngakwazi ukubehavior. An old man efana noMonnampule Saleng nini beka trend ku Twitter bamthandazela uvela ubona ukuthi like ucomplicate life yakho. Ugcwalizi like izinto ezingabalekanga uyazenza lezi zinto lezi. You don't disrespect a big team in South African football and then think ukuthi izinto zakho zizohamba smooth uzovela uphumelele ube right. When a team gives you an opportunity to play, focus ku career yakho. If ungena ku Orlando Pirates, Sundowns, Chiefs, you sign a contract ethi uzohola 50,000. I-contract yakho mayiphela ngithi uyakwazi ukuthatha i-agent yakho and renegotiate terms sharp. Maybe ke bese another team comes and offers you a bigger check, bakofara a bigger contract. Mawufika kuleyo team leyo awudlali. Imagine you had an opportunity to go play final CAF Champions League, then when you don't show up. How stupid can Saleng be? If finally CAF Champions League, it's not just South Africans that are watching. All over Africa kubhekiwe. In other parts of the world, ema Europe kubhekiwe. Imagine if uMunapule Saleng didn't have behavior issues kubuhawufa ngebholo lakhe. It's really sad to see such a young talented man achitha icareer yakhe, but also the reason it's sad is because uSaleng is just another player eteamini. It's not like a player ukuthi makangekho the team won't function. Uthe makaphuma koLorlando Pirates, a lot of people were worried ukuthi ubani uzodlala on the right. Mhankota came. Utema kahamba Mhankota, Tsebang Muremi came. I'm talking about left-footed players. Tsebang Muremi came. Ufikile lapha kuMamelodi Sundowns in a team that has a better structure, that has better players, a team that doesn't really need him yena uMunapule Saleng. Uyafika lapha and instead of ukuthi improve aphakamisa igame yakhe uba nama issues with behavior. When a coach like South Africa noma bathi usuka eBelgium usuka kuphi mawuzo coacha eSouth Africa, the first teams you look for as Bafana coach mawufuna ukuselect ama player, Chiefs, Pirates, Sundowns. So as a player, if you are not showing up kulawo team lawo, what more do you want? It now makes sense why Orlando Pirates opted to loan him out to Orbit College, as hot as uMunapule Saleng was. Bafethu iyekeni lento le mangabala a list yama player manje ama career abaphelele moyeni because of behavior mfana. Lezi zinto lezi said, and it's always the young talented ones. OJ Mabizela had a big opportunity yokuyodlala kuTottenham Hotspur. On debut uyangena lo mjita lo uyakora shiny cracker yo goal, ushaya igoli elinzima. What happened? Ibehavior yambhayizisa. He didn't come back to South Africa straight wahamba. I think wayudlala eGermany or somewhere. He carried on nalapho, he had issues wabuya la South Africa. How many teams tried to give him a chance? Mbheka unjani today? Mbheka unjani today? Mawumbheka namhlanje amdabukela. He doesn't even look like someone oke wadlala professional football. I'm sure ama 2K angamazi nokumazi OJ Mabizela na ungamtshela ukuthi lo mjita lo beka i-captain ePirates. Lo mjita wadlalela iTottenham Hotspur. He was a very good player, umuntu angathuka. Decided ukuthi avume substance abuse, it determine the outcome of his career yakhe. You had another one. Yena uLerato Shabang umjita bekumele ukuthi udlale nako Chelsea. Drank his career away, pizu entertainana nabangani angabadingela ifini, wanyamalala waphelele esithubeni wezi namhlanje sekavela kuma I blew it. It keeps happening lento lena, and it's something that I don't know ukuthi yenzwa yini, angazi mhlamba abantu bayathakathiwa or what, but we were also worried about Tusipho Mbuli ukuthi mfana SuperSport United to Mamelodi Sundowns. Sundowns loans you to Isikhukhune United. Just when everyone thinks ukuthi akuphelile ngoMbule, Orlando Pirates comes and gives you an opportunity. Now we still don't know ukuthi izinto ziphele kanjani kuMbule nePirates. Angifuni ukuspeculator, but if now it's because of his behavior, come on bafethu. How many chances do you need? And in ebuhlungu ukuthi not everyone in life gets a second chance. Not everyone in life gets a second chance. Omunye umuntu, it's one opportunity. You have to make the most of that opportunity. Maqeda lapho ube right. So mina understand ukuthi lento lena uMunapule Saleng ayenzayo ukuthi uyenziswa yini. I don't know, maybe fans need to pray for him, maybe he needs ama former legend ukuthi bakhulume naye bambonisa indlela. But if uMunapule Saleng carries on the way ayenza ngakhona, I'm telling you, naye kusasa he'll be another Lerato Shabangu ozongena kulama online podcast. Not even ama big broadcasters will call you ukuthi ozozos analyze the game at least, or any team in the PSL would say you were a good player, come join our technical team, come be an analyst, come be a mentor, come be this, come be that. Teams don't trust you so much that even after a career yakho somdala bayabona ukuthi kubhlungu. We had Junaid Hadley last studio, he broke down akhala ukuthi substance abuse ilimazile icareer yakhe. Substance abuse ilimazile icareer yakhe. So izo lezo izinto bafethu that honestly don't make sense to me. Ifana nalama fan lawa athi sikhuluma kabi but they keep watching the content. Uzibuze ukuthi ubani okucelile. Akunamuntu hambe walandu. If you don't like the content, scroll past. Hambe yobhekele labo Michael Moten. It's annoying ukuthi every week mele sikhuza abantu abachildish abafuna ungena ku comment section ba comment izinto abangazazi. I'm addressing an important issue. Munapule Saleng is a fellow black man who is suffering umoshi career yakhe. If bekumlungu kuba nizikhulumi lezi zinto lezi, but because it's a black man omele ukuthi asizwe, again clever dumb blacks ni comment izinto ezingasile ningazazi. Saleng is destroying his career. Another Lerato Shabangu situation. Nifuna ukumposta ku TikTok nimhleke kusasa sekamoshi career yakhe, whereas we should be addressing this issue and helping him. These are the videos that need to reach him. Simtshele ukuthi you are not bigger than the game, you are not that important, just play and enjoy your football and save your career yakho ukuthi kusasa when all is said and done usase sharp elifini. Uzowa drive ama Mustang, u drive ama Benz nama inini zonke le moto lezi esidurayo kusasa sohlangana nawe sime nawe la inini erenkeni sekubhlungu lapho uzushuto this is a former player. So into abantu obsessed ngayo, you said Pirates won't win the league, you said Chiefs won't win the league as if I was the only one oshelo yonto le. Wonke umuntu no opinion, it was my opinion. Yes, I believe Pirates were not going to win the league and they're still not convincing. I don't even think they're going to win tonight. Newsflash. I don't even think bangayibamba amazulu the way badlala ngakhona because it seems as though they are rebuilding, but asikho lapho we are addressing an issue that's bigger than Pirates namhlanje. Saleng kwamele ukuthi alungise izinto zakhe, alungise indlela zakhe zokuphila, alungise indaba zakhe. Ayikho lento leyo ukuthi thina njalo every season mele sibe worried ngeplayer ukuthi iplayer lemoshakala. Angazi how many years later after bo Jabupule sometimes would not show up to training lapha ku Chiefs anyamalale. Ngikhumbula sekanje awungwana wathwenya. Sometimes showing up to training drunk. Chiefs at some point yakhathalo uyahamba ya overseas uyabuya udlalela Pirates nanani. Well, thank God for him ukuthi ukwazile ukuziqoqa. Now kumanje it seems as though izinto zakhe zisharp. Why aren't we learning from these guys? Why aren't we learning from labantu laba abamosha ama career wabo? Labantu laba ba ama example kithi ukuthi sometimes le ngqondo yokuthi wena ubuye esibukeng ubuye Thembisa ubuye Alex Soweto angeke kenzele next. Once you become a professional human being in any space in life, phuma kwingqondo ezingeke zize zikusize, phuma kabangana abangeke baze abantu abangeke baze bakusize nokuthi abantu abangeke baze bakulekelele life in, phuma kulezo zinto lezo. So that's what I wanted to address.